Alright, so I wanted to show you this. This is my thoughts on a Lazy Susan. So one of the things that I was looking for was a really nice Lazy Susan that had the ability to not have no give whatsoever when it comes down to slop. Okay, so I didn't want this to wiggle in any way. I'm going to be putting an engraving ball vise on the top side of this, and yeah, I want to be able to turn it real nice and smooth. So a wheel bearing on a car is just one of these most amazing bearing that'll hold up to just about everything. It's nice and heavy, so it adds to the design. This is a brake. I think this is for the back of the car. These come in different size shapes. You can get these at a junkyard. I just soaked it in muriatic acid to get rid of all the rust and basically etched it out. I'll be spray painting it afterwards. So I'm going to be welding this to here, and then I've got another one of these that I'm going to be welding to these bolts. But I wanted to kind of show you the breakdown. So basically you can get these on eBay. Forget what car this is from, but make sure that you have a good design as far as like how you're going to weld it. In this case, this doesn't fit this wheel bearing, but that's okay because I don't want these to stick through anyway because it'll get in the way of the ball vise. Then I just stuck some bolts or nuts or bolts in here, and what I'm going to do is just weld them to these bolts. These are zinc coated, so I got to be wearing some protection, but other than that, yeah, here's the beginning, and I'll show you when I'm done. There we go. So smooth. I like the weight of it. So down below, we got, and it's attached to this really sturdy thing. It's a piece of metal that used to be for printing a long time ago. My old design was a bowling ball that rotated inside a CO2 cylinder, and this is a wheel hub from Harbor Freight. This is a huge upgrade. Cool. So I thought I'd share that in case somebody else is wanting to make some kind of cool turntable for their engraving vise. Have fun.